dear listeners, in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank God for have enabled us to reach to this moment when we are still possessing the gift of life and soul. Yes, for today, I have come here with a new discovery, which is about yearning. Why do people yearn? Or what causes yearning? So before we talk about what causes yearning, we need to first know what yearning means. In simple terms, yearning is a form of reflex that involves a deep inspiration, opening of the jaw wide, and rapid exhalation of inspired air. Meaning that here, after yearning, there is a general feeling of relaxation after yearning. Oh, so now what causes yearning? After we have known what yearning is, now we need to know what causes yearning. There are many causes of yearning, but for now, I'm going to give you at least 3 causes of yearning. The first cause of yearning is to equalize pressure within the ear, in that the pressure within the ear and outside balances equally so that you can easily receive sound waves and hear very well. Then another indisputable cause of yearning is known as the social empathy. This means, in simple terms, suggestion, meaning that you can be moving with someone and he tries to urinate there. Then after you seeing him urinating, you also feel like urinating. So that empathy, empathy can also cause yearning in that when you see someone yearn, you can also yearn. Then it is also caused by the hormones that are released, which increase the heart rate and alertness, especially during tiredness and boredom, so as the body to attempt and keep you alert and awake. This is usually experienced commonly during reading or after a long reading of books or a long revision. You feel like bored and tired, then you start yearning so that you can get that cold air into your body and get that relaxation. Then another cause of yearning is to cool the To cool the brain. When you are yearning, you enter a lot of cold air and then you breathe out a lot of air which is very hot or warm. You can try it yourself. You try to breathe in, then you breathe out air. The air which will be entering will be cool, and then the air which will be coming out will be somehow warm. Meaning that the brain which you have been using in doing all those activities like reading for a long time, it will have heated, and then after entering that a lot of air which is cold, it tries to cool it, and that air coming out after yearning will be coming with a lot of heat out of the body. So in simple terms, it is to do what? To cool the temperatures of the brain and equalize the pressure within the ear. Thank you for listening. I beg you to subscribe, comment, and follow. I rest the case.